Right, we're back out in local wood again. Just thought I'd come out for a quick walk with dog. Not too sunny, but it's still muggy. So, yeah, I just thought we'd have a little walk round and have a little film while we're at it. I'm just using phone today. No mic, no fancy camera. It was just a last minute vlog. So we'll see how it turns out. Here's Buddy, look. Say hello, bud. Just having a sniff like they do. Got my Costa. So yeah, what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to film with this. I'm not even going to edit it on app. I think I'll just upload it as it is, see how it goes. It can take hours, you see, when you upload from your cameras into edit, and then from editing app back to your phone, then onto YouTube. It just takes a lot of time. I can hear something in there. Yeah, it's nice and dense now, isn't it? It's a bit windy, so I don't know if it's going to affect the audio. You can probably hear Buddy in the background. Hey, bud. We keep passing this, don't we? Let's see how they're getting on with it. Yeah, there, look. There it is. It's just flew off while I was trying to get to it. Well, they've made that. I don't know what it is. Bench there. Guess that's going to be bar. See how sturdy it is. Yeah, could be improved. It looks alright, that. Quite solid. Could live here, couldn't you? Yeah, let's cut through here. Ow. Oh, we're not going to get through here, look. I've got Buddy with me, haven't I? He's only small. Let's have a look. I don't think you're going to get through there, are you, bud? Hey? Do you think you'll get through? Come on then. Nice. Well, I'm going to have to put it through editing out because I pressed stop instead of pause. So it's gone into 2 videos now. Now, here's the here, look. Here, bud. There he is. That's one of them balloons, look. They all go up, but they all come down and all, unfortunately. What's that on that tree? It's a bit blurry. Why is it blurry? Oh, that's better. Right, which way are we going? Oh God. Tripped of it. Come on then, this way. Right, we're back into open now. Come on then. Ow. Yeah, we'll have a walk through this bit and see if there's any deer about. This is where I like to go through at night when I'm doing a night video. Here, bud. Come on then, I'll follow you. Yeah, this area here, this is where you used to see a lot of deer, but not seen them for a while. See if we can zoom in on them, look. Is it going to be blurry? Yeah, I'm sweating a bit actually, it's quite muggy. So yeah, I'm just at the area where, this is where we normally see a lot of wildlife. Deer and a lot of red kites here as well. Just debating where to go. Might have a little sneak through there, because we haven't been off track for ages. Very muggy, very muggy. Now that way, it's raining. I don't know if you can hear that. That's where we normally see deer. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I think we'll enjoy that. I'll tell you what, I'll spin you around and we'll have a little sneak through here. I've got to be careful where I go when I've got Buddy with me, because he's only small. Poor lad will get bloody stuck under that, look. Oh, it smells beautiful, lad, doesn't it? Do you know when it rains? We needed this. Yeah, I've not been here. Let's have a little... Oh, spider. Oh, get away, get away. Got attacked by a spider. See, he's there, look. He's already struggling to come through, look. He's coming. Bless him. He loves it, though. Come on, then. Let's go this way. Yeah, let's go off the beaten track, as they say. It's crazy what you come across. What's that? Oops. I found something already. I don't know what it is. Oh, I can remember finding this on my night walk. It's like a massive... It's been dug out. I don't know how that's been dug out. It's just full of water. There he is. Well, we've come to a dead end bit here, because unless we go through there... I'll bring you back in a bit. Right, we're going to go this way. This way, bud, don't you fall in there. Bloody hell. This is where my action camera would have been good on chest. Walking through dense wood. Now then, should we go this way? I might do some more night walks, you know, I enjoyed them. Are you going to be alright coming through here, bud? Let's see how you get on. Yeah, we've come to loads of ferns, look. Yeah, let's go through these ferns, and then we'll go left, opposite way to where we normally go. I love these. They're stunning, aren't they? Yeah, it's like a jungle, isn't it? Look at it. Right, we're out with a million spiders. Go away. Ugh. Go away. Yeah, my video ended up turning itself off when I was getting attacked by spiders. Yeah, it's quite dense down here. A 10 times zoom. A 25 times zoom. I mean, it still don't look bad, does it? So we're from there. Yeah, it's not too bad. Where did I go? Sandalbeak Woods the other day. And I swear to God, there must have been thousands and thousands of toads just jumping out. Now then, which way shall we go now? Like I said, it's not much of a video. It's only a little dog walk. There's someone down there, so I think we'll carry on this way. Yeah, let's go this way then, bud. Oh, it smells here. You alright, bud? I'll get you a drink in a sec. Yeah, it's like quite dense in here. Nah, someone's lost the keys here, look. Oh, there's no keys on them, it's just key rings. I'll leave that there then. Okay, we're going this way. Yeah, so we're just behind some houses here. And then just on left here, used to be a park. About 25 years ago. Used to go on it as a kid. Yeah, just here. But it's all overgrown now. Jesus Christ. That's took a bloody beating, hasn't it? Look at it. Bloody hell. Yeah, we're just here. There's actually still, I'm not going looking for it because it's overgrown now, but there is still a fence what goes round. But yeah, council have obviously got rid of all parks, haven't they? Shame really. I tell you what, when you're out in wood, you know when they're coming down, these trees, they don't have crack. You hear it, you just run. It's happened a few times. Right, which way shall we go? I'm going this way. I wonder if that, I think it's called Chicken of the Woods. The, oh, what do you call it? What's growing on tree? We'll have a look anyway. Oh, that's the rear look. Someone's destroyed it. No, that's a shame. I was going to see how big that'll grow. Right, well, there. Yeah, I get a lot of questions about what camera gear to use for when you're filming in woods and lakes and anything in nature really. And do you know what? What I'm using now is the S24 Ultra. That'll do everything what you want it to do. Honestly, it's a good film, this. And I just leave it in auto, so the white balance and stuff like that will just automatically change whatever setting you're in. But yeah, you don't need, I mean you can if you've got the money, obviously buy what you want. But if you're starting up, honestly your phone will be fine. I've just missed a red kite there. Squirrels all over. So for today I'd use my phone and just see how it looks and sounds. I can hear it. Let me spin it. There. Ah, it's gone. Ah, there it is. I don't know what bird this one is. Where's it gone? I can't see it. There it is. You can hear me. So we've got this one, and then a massive red kite went left. I don't know what type of bird is this. I'll have to have a look. But there's a few of them in here. I've seen 4. Oh, he's getting loads of moss, look. Oh, he's crowing like a crow. Right, we're back at that den thing, what we've seen. I think we've just gone in full circle again. Yeah, look. So we'll carry on this way and see what we can see. Like I said, it's not much of a video. It's only taking dog out, and I'm just filming what I see. I'm not a vlogger really, because I don't really talk about much. There's no to talk about, is there, in woods? So yeah, we'll carry on. It's just nice to be out, you know what I mean? If you're fed up or out, just get yourself out. Have a nice walk. Feels so much better. I'm looking forward to autumn actually. Like forests and woodlands look amazing when leaves are falling. Especially when it snows and all. Like I said, we just come out, go for a walk and just film what we see. Don't get many views. My shorts do alright, but my long form, like everybody, just gone down a bit. Look at this here, this broken tree here, look. Come on then, bud. I'll have a walk through here and then we're finished. Yeah, look at it. Mad in it to think that this was just full of bluebells at one time. And oh, there it is. Where is it? There we go. A little butterfly. Yeah, now it's just full of brambles. Yeah, it's full of them, look. Get some blackberries off there. Come on then, bud. Come on then. You got your typical motorbikes riding around. Because just over there, there's a pile of nicked ones. So obviously, it's going to be part of that, isn't it? Right, guys. Now just a quick walk. And just talk about what we see. Sweating. Sweating. So yeah, this was full of bluebells at one time. But not much to look at now, is there? Fallen trees everywhere though in here. So, right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on next video, guys. Obviously I'm due to go down lake soon anyway. We haven't been for a bit, have we? Get a few videos there. Here we are, back at entrance. Right, I'll catch you later, guys.